Okay, welcome back guys to my channel. Today we're going to unbox another kit popularized by current BMX Racing, the Mach frame. However, this is the black metallic body special edition. Let's get to the unboxing. Inside, you'll be greeted with the metallic body itself. So this is like chrome plated metallic. However, it's not that silver chrome, it's like gray chrome kind of metallic. Quite nice to look at. If you attach stickers to it, it's going to be absolutely awesome. And this is in ABS material. You get a set of medium size super hard tires. So super hard tires are very popular with Mini4 racing because they have less bounce and they corner quickly. You get your dark gray chassis. As mentioned previously, Tamiya still have not produced reinforced chassis. However, for FMA, the white one you might get in a reinforced chassis type. Most of the colored ones are just ABS. So this is a dark gray glittered. You can see some glitters around. Dark gray FMA chassis for this kit. Inside you get some set of accessories. This comes with a 3.5:1 super speed gear ratio, and a set of grease, a set of terminals, and your set of stock motors. You also get a back wing. Back wing is made of ABS. And last but not least, your A parts. These are in black also. So these are made of ABS, I believe, or some kind of low friction plastic. Because how you know is that when you have these wheel spacers, these are low friction types, and they are great for use when you are starting out. You can just use this, and they are absolutely fantastic to use. You also get your wheels. These are 5 spokes, medium size, all narrow, PP material. So these are great lightweight wheels, and it's in white. Last but not least, you have your sticker set. So your sticker set is all in metallic, a bit of reds and blues, and they have some Mach frame markings on it. So this will look great with the black metallic chassis that the black metallic body that we have just now, and your set of instruction manuals that nobody reads anymore. Okay, that's it for today's unboxing. You will catch more if you like this content. See you soon. Bye bye.